Hello, my name is Aiden Morris. Today I will show you how to use the BlueJ code compiler. Assuming that you already have BlueJ installed, the first thing you need to do is select the icon and open it. Next, we need to start a new project to write code in. You can do this by clicking the project button on the top left of this window. From here we can open old projects or start new ones. We're going to want to click the New Project button. This is where we can save the new projects and any subsequent projects we create. It's best to create a new folder to save all of your projects in. I'll name mine BlueJ. Now that we have a folder just for projects, we'll want to double-click it to select it. Now we can name our project and save it. I'll name mine Example1. With that done, we can now click Create. Now that our project is created, we can make our first class. Java uses classes to operate, but they can be tricky to get the hang of. To create a new class, we just right-click in the open area and click New Class. In Java and most other programming languages, capitalization is important. Classes should always be capitalized to let anyone reading your code know that it's a class. It doesn't really matter what you name the class as long as it doesn't have spaces or symbols and the first letter of every word is capitalized. Any class you create like this will start with some sample code in it to help you out. When you eventually have some code you want to write, you put it in here. Each class consists of methods, which are these things, and variables, which is how data is stored. If you want your class to display something, it's going to need a main method. This will let it run whatever code you put into it. This starter class doesn't have a main method in it, but you can learn how to create those later. But for now, this is all set up so we can exit. When you have a class with code that does something in it, you compile it and run it by right-clicking on the class and then selecting void main string args. And that's the basics of using BlueJ, so thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.